Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I created and painted my surreal oil painting. In this oil painting I wanted to express the ideal of male beauty in the universal terms. I wanted to paint the male figure in classical tradition, distilling it to the very essence of human existence. The idea for this oil painting came to me while I was traveling across Italy, looking at their art and comparing it to the contemporary art. As harsh as it sounds, my opinion is that the contemporary art world has lost its ideal of male beauty, often giving in to shock and sensation. When I visit art shows and museums, the art of the male figure is hard to come by. Even if the male figure is there, these figures don't look beautiful or powerful to me. If we look back at the history of art, the ideal of male beauty got perfected and admired in the Greco-Roman culture and the Italian Renaissance. After that, artists, patrons, and culture switched the ideal of beauty from male to the female form. So I got fascinated with this topic of actually painting the male figure in classical tradition, distilling it to the very essence of human existence. The photo reference for the marble sculpture comes from my visit to the Palatine Museum in Rome. It's a Parian statue dating back to the mid-2nd century AD. The reason why I titled this painting of a male nude as the Belvedere torso is because I wanted to reference Greco-Roman civilization in my artwork and the ideal of male beauty. Belvedere means beautiful view in Italian language. I got fascinated with this particular sculpture because it looks very different from other marble sculptures. The surface is bluish, not white, and the orange hair is long and wavy, falling over the shoulders freely. For the background, I underpainted the image using gold acrylic paint. I let it sit for about a week to make sure it dried completely, and then I went with my oil paint over it. This warm orange underpainting created warmth, so when I began painting over it with my grays look very nice, they don't look dull. And I incorporated some of orangey yellow colors into the figure as well to give it warmth and the difference in color temperature between cooler shadows and warmer lights. As I painted the figure, I saw that my background didn't quite work because it felt very busy. That's why I glazed the entire background with a nice orangey glaze to push it back so it didn't compete with my figure, with the foreground. And I think it worked perfectly. Also, when I did the glazing, I went around the acrylic gold paint to leave those accents, to leave those gold accents in place. So the result is that I have a warm background with shiny golden accents, and I have the figure done in cooler tones, and it comes forward more. And here we go, it's a finished painting. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and if you want to keep in touch, go to my website veronicasart.com and subscribe to my newsletter. I email about once a month, and I give out free information and free downloads once in a while. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video helps you in your creative pursuits. If you have a question, you can leave a comment under this video. I'll try to check and reply to every comment. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye bye.